All right, good afternoon, folks. This is your free video update from seasonalswingtrader.com. Today is Wednesday, January 17th, 2018, and we want to take a look at the coffee market. We're looking at JO, which is the Barclays ETN market that tracks the underlying coffee futures market. So we're looking at JO, which can be traded like an equity in your equity or retirement accounts. I want to show you one of my favorite patterns that I trade and trade quite frequently, and that is the 1, 2, 3 or the ABC bottoms. And essentially what we're looking at is a new 52-week low to be printed on the daily chart. We want to see the market move back up, fell, put in a number 2 point, let the market trade back down without taking out the swing low or the number 1 point here. So it gives us a number 1 point, a number 2 point, and then a number 3 point, and the entry is a break above the number 2 point. Now, aggressive traders can take the immediate breakout to the upside. More conservative traders can wait for a breakout and then a retest. More often than not, you usually do get a retest, so you can enter that trade. And it's a very black and white mechanical system. No need to guess where to get in, where to get out, where to exit to take profits or stops. Our risk is initially below the number 1 point or the number 3 point, and our target is simply the distance between the number 1 point and the number 2 point. So we had a breakout here in coffee above 1550 with a price projection of 16.30 or 80 cents, because that is the difference between the breakout here of 1550 and the lows down here at 1460. And you can see in 1, 2, 3, 4 trading days we came up and met our profit objective for a 5% gain. Now, those trading coffee in the futures markets, due to leverage, realized an even larger gain of $4,200 based on a 2-lot basis. So here was our entry. Got in at 1550, out at 1630 for an 80-cent gain on the ETF. It's $80 per 100 shares traded. Or in the futures market, got in at 124.10 with an exit of 129.70. Keep in mind the same pattern, same setup, good for a $2,100 or 5.6 point per contract move. And the reason I bring this to your attention is because we're looking at possibly getting in this market again. Now, it will not be a new 1, 2, 3 bottom unless we take out these swing lows. We'll start the count over. This trade, as far as I'm concerned, is one and done. We got in, we got out, took our profits, and now the market has since pulled back down, came and met our profit objective almost to a T. Coming back down here, we take out the number 1, these old swing lows here at 1470, 1460. That will start a new 1, 2, 3 count. However, the market does appear to be fishing around for a bottom. If you take a look at seasonal chart over the next 7 to 8 weeks, coffee has on average historically risen by about 3%. This is over the last 9 years of performance. It's only 9 years because that is how long JO, or the coffee ETN contract, has been around. Now, if we take a longer term picture here, going out by 12 weeks, you see roughly that the market stays relatively flat to sideways with a little bit of a gain. So in these type of markets where we're experiencing flat to maybe modest gains or even modest losses, we would look to be put sellers in the market. We don't want to get aggressively long by buying call options or buying the stock outright. We would look to be selling puts outside of the market here, expecting it to drift sideways to maybe higher, could even drift lower. But the idea is to sit on the premium that we collected and have that premium go into our trading accounts. If you'd like more ideas, tips, and tricks on trading seasonality and the options market, feel free to take a trial or follow us on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and Facebook, and we'll see you on the next update. Traders, like what you see, want more trade ideas each week? Take a $7 30-day complete member access trial by clicking the link below. You'll have immediate access to analysis and seasonal trade ideas on over 35 commodity and currency futures markets, as well as coverage on all of the major stocks, exchanges, and ETFs in the U.S. marketplace. If you like us, follow us on Twitter and Facebook, like us on YouTube, and we hope to see you on the inside.